on, dear viewers? Thank you for joining me. We're here in beautiful Spain, and let me show you around. We're here in beautiful Lloret de Mar, a beautiful coastal Mediterranean town with a population of 40,000 people. It's a nice Mediterranean climate. It receives about 1 million visitors per year, making it one of the most popular tourist destinations in Europe. It's about an hour drive from Barcelona and about half an hour from Girona. Lloret de Mar had two castles. One is medieval from 11th century, and this one right here, which is modern and was built in 1940s. You can go for a nice cliff walk to stretch your legs and enjoy majestic scenery and take your family for a nice day out. And it's nice and peaceful out here. Pretty busy. I expected it to be like a little village, but it's actually a big town. Everything you need over here. I trust in me, Scarface. Lots of glasses, lots of everything here. T-shirts, one of these shops. You can buy a lot of souvenirs and gifts. Look, if you want to buy some knives, everything is here. Some airsoft. Food, shops, supermarkets. Watches, anything you want, 15 euro. 19, 25, 35, 29, 24. Lots of souvenirs also. Like all this stuff. Look, all of this is just on your front porch, just outside the hotel. Amazing, isn't it? Check out this other gem I found for you. Amazing, I love this architecture. Catalonia's finest. The street reminds me of the holiday they have in Spain, running with the bulls, you know? You have to run ahead of the bulls. They release a lot of bulls, goes off all the streets, and there's nowhere to hide. You have to run from the bulls, and if the bulls get ahead of you, you're out, you know? So, dangerous holiday, but a lot of people looking forward to it. It's a little town that has everything you need to relax, swim, enjoy yourself, have a good time. Check it out. We got a zombie cocktail. Look at this. I'm gonna try it, see what it's like. Should be exquisite. Juicy, very good, very good. Just as good as it looks.